Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back today guys with another reaction video, and this is a recommendation, new artist actually to this channel. His name is Merciless featuring Upchurch. This is a audio version to his song Monster. So let's curious to see what this young man's wiggy giving us.
Okay.
You got
Church, what up? Ah, fuck.
okay, the Joker.
There's a monster under your bed and you're not sure if you'll want up dead. You got demons in there right upstairs, so you're suicidal. It's quite unfair. So you're drinking it's liquor, then I'm on the plane and it's getting you sicker. It fucks with your brain. So you deal with the symptoms and hope it'll change. So you're back at the bottom and relapse again. The devil keep waking you up in your sleep. No matter what, you can outrun from the beast. Like, are you alive or just stuck in a dream? I swear to God, this is a fucking disease. You're better off staying inside, it'll spread. The voices keep yelling inside of your head. You want them to stop, you've been trying your best. Like, why in the fuck are you crying again? The angels you had no longer exist. The monster inside makes it harder to live. You keep getting closer to calling it quits. You're trying to hide all the scars on your wrist. It hurts you to think all you want is the truth. So you're sliding a slug and a shotgun and shooting. At this point, you think this is all you can do till you look in the mirror and the monster is you. I'm a monster, motherfucker, I'm a monster. Come and get it if you want some. I got an AK-47 hanging out the driver window.
I'm a monster.
Till the cops come. Yeah, bitch, I'm a monster. Motherfucker, I'm a monster. So come and get it if you want some. I got an
Ooh, who are we talking about?
hanging out the driver window. And I'm shooting till the cops come. Yeah, bitch, I'm a monster.
I used to be the nice guy, but now
Okay, they sound like Upchurch. I'm assuming this is Upchurch rapping right now. Bronchitis.
I'm not the biggest in the game, but that's how I like it. Cause they don't know if they don't or do wanna fight me. This country bucking gonna fuck you up like you cheated on my sister. And I'm walking tall with a stick like Buford Puster was living. Yeah, I'm rich now.
Hey.
Cars from Italy, but I'm still Tennessee pimping in that dually 250 motherfucker. I'm loving the backlash. Fuck 'em up like a chick in the back smash. So fly, I can survive a plane crash. And when I hate it, when they hit the ground, they begging me to rehash. Big check the cash for the bank account. I need an old positive blood fountain so the game dries.
It's giving me Eminem Slim Shady style of rapping right there.
What if I was made to annihilate this whole town? Hit the strip of Music City with some baddies about the business. Fuck the system, Nashville wanna outlaw. You about to get it,
I'm a
bitches.
monster, motherfucker, I'm a monster. Come and get it if you want some. I got an AK-47 hanging out the driver window. And I'm
Oof.
shooting till the cops come. Yeah, bitch, I'm a monster.
Ooh, this is so violent.
So come and get it if you want some. I got an AK-47 hanging out the driver window. And I'm shooting till the cops come. Yeah, bitch,
I'm a monster. Oof. Oh. Ooh, who pissed him off? He got an AK-47 ready to shoot till the cops come. Who pissed him off? It's very cool. Merciless. Hi, sir. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. Never heard of you. Someone said you are, and I can see you have a body of content and work. One thing I have to say, I don't know too much about rap and bars, but I like the song. It sounds good. This is something I can hear on the radio, or I can hear playing in the club. This is something I can see him performing live and hype the crowd up. I don't know too much about bars. However, who is he mad at? Because most of these people who's come to my channel that recommend me to react to these rappers and stuff like that is usually the songs they have me reacting to is like diss track. I listened to Mises, and he made a diss track towards Nick Cannon, and I was like, who was he mad at? People said Nick Cannon, you don't know? I was like, no, I don't even know who he was, but now I know who he is. So who are they mad at? I would say thanks to the person. I really don't know what much to say. I need to listen to him more of his song to get an understanding of who he is as a rapper. Upchurch came in there with his rap. There was a rap flow. Remind me of Slim Shady, Eminem Slim Shady. He remind me of Slim Shady. Thanks to the person who recommended to react to this. I don't know what much to say when it comes to rapping. I said it over and over again. I am not that type of person when it comes to asking about rapping. I don't know. Give me pop music and I would like it, love it. Rapping, I'm getting to it. So thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. Now I have another artist to research about named Merciless and Upchurch. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.